turning your winning ad creatives into booked demos. This is landing page 101 for B2B SaaS. People tend to overcomplicate landing pages. Conveniently though, the simpler the landing page, the better your results. Simple always wins. Here are my go-to for landing pages. Easily understandable in 5 seconds, whereas the ad's 1 second. They've then taken an action to move towards us. So we're able to go a little bit deeper, but that doesn't mean we then want to just word vomit everything at them. So easily understandable in 5 seconds, easily digestible in 5 seconds. Again, third grade reading level, there's no need to make it complicated. One main idea per landing page, white space, uncluttered, big bold headline, video sales letter above the fold, maximum of 90 seconds, keep it short and sweet. Simple, colorful call to action above the fold. So above the fold means before they pull down on their mobile, for example, or before they scroll down. Mobile and desktop friendly. This is super important because most people these days are going to be on their mobile. A large proportion of your conversions, being that it's a social media platform that we're going to be running these ads on, meta ads, are going to come through mobile. So it's important to actually make sure that your landing page looks good there. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on a ton of conversions. And then continuation of your ad. So if we're saying the ad says, stop losing your clients, then we push them through the landing page, and all the landing page is talking about is how it's going to take 20 minutes for your clients to complete. Brilliant. It's going to take 20 minutes, but that's not why they click through. They click through to understand why it's going to stop them losing their clients. So we want to continue that by, in the landing page, also saying basically the exact same thing. Keep the ad simple, landing page also simple. An ideal landing page has 4 things, not 57, 4. There's really no need to overpopulate your landing page. This landing page should be dedicated to your meta ads traffic only. It's fine if you use it for other stuff, but this is specifically for your meta ads traffic out of the gate. You've paid a premium to get them to your page. So this is an important point. If you're paying $5, $10, $15, for example, if you're in the financial services industry, to get one click through to your landing page, you do not want to waste that click. The only action you want them to take is to book a demo. Why is that? Because you want them to sell them, right? So the prerequisite for selling them is to book the demo. That's the only thing you want them to do. Only give them one option. What I mean by that, the footer of your website, get rid of all that with all the other bloody links. If there is a Trustpilot that you've got on a landing page, get rid of the actual link to Trustpilot. If there is a YouTube video for some auxiliary thing, don't link out to it. What all you want them to do is to take the decision of booking a demo on that landing page. Also, if you imagine a mouse in a maze, right? If you have a ton of different possible routes this mouse could take, it's going to get lost in the maze. But if your maze was just a straight line with a piece of cheese at the end, then the mouse is 100% of the time going to run to the cheese and eat the cheese. Why? Because you made it super simple for them to take the action you wanted them to take. It's the exact same thing with this ad funnel. So to paraphrase a line from the Happy Gilmore movie, his bags are packed, he has his plane ticket, bring him to the airport, and then get him to book a demo, because that's all we're looking for them to do. For that, you just need 4 things, all of which can be seen by your target audience before they even scroll down. So this landing page does not need to be huge, and it does not need to be complicated. Headline, short and sweet, 5 words or less. Video sales letter, 90 seconds or less. From there, they then fill out first name, last name, email address, and book a call. Easy as that. We want it to be as easy as that, right? So let's craft our landing page to be as simple as that. What headlines do you put on your landing page? We already did this work back in the value prop stage, didn't we? So remember, we had 6 different value props, and we had 2 different angles per value prop. So let's put our best foot forward and use the same headlines that are in our ads. Why? Simplicity. Yep, that word again. There's no need to spend 5 months building out our Taj Mahal master plan for running ads. Once we've got our best headlines, let's use them. It's simple. If the landing page and ad have the same headline and it converts, headline's probably a winner, right? So we want to isolate variables as much as possible to determine what is actually working. So using our made up example again, headlines for landing page 1 and 2 are stop losing your tax planning clients, save your clients thousands. Headline 1, headline 2. Notice these headlines are not huge. They're not 50 words long. Short and sweet, super easy to digest in 1 second. Video sales letters are a key component for converting traffic to book demos. The objective of your ad is to take the user from social media to your page in 1 or 2 seconds. So to book a call, your prospects needs to know, like, and trust you. 5 seconds isn't going to cut it, especially if they've never come across you before. 5 seconds is not going to get them to convert. As Shania Twain says, okay, so you're Brad Pitt. That don't impress me much. So you got the looks, but have you got the touch? Don't get me wrong. Yeah, I think all right. But that won't keep me warm in the middle of the night. So said another way, I'm interested. You've piqued my interest, but is there actually any substance behind what you're saying? The substance comes in the video sales letter. This is your opportunity to build the know, like, and trust factor in a longer window of time. The VSL, that gets them over the line. That sells them. Video sales letter, 2 minutes or less. So now you've got someone on your landing page. This is it, your opportunity to be the star you always knew you could be. Cue your 5-part mini-series. I'm joking. Save that for another time. This VSL should be no more than 2 minutes. Remember, the person now on your site was just seconds ago, literally seconds ago, scrolling on social media, had no intention of interacting with you because they didn't know who you were, and they possibly were literally on the toilet eating a sandwich unhygienically during a lunch break whilst texting. A lot of stuff going on. So we got to be quick, punchy, and memorable. Video sales letter script template. So here is template. I've used this exact template literally many times across industries, and it always converts. It's just a matter of finding the right things to say between the brackets. Obviously, the template doesn't convert. It's the substance within the template, but the template is kind of a storyboard. So, hey there, target market. Are you looking for a solution to your problem that we provide? Look no further than us. We've made your problem, diagnosed, super easy. So you can get it done quickly, or you can get it done efficiently and effectively. No more of the problems that you're having. Just the dream outcome for your solution. You want to talk about the dream outcome. With us, your problem is a breeze. Our simple service, and then outline what it does again in one short sentence to solve their problem. And what's great is that it basically is easy. So it takes minimal effort, or is quick. So if you're ready to solve this problem, outline it again. Book a demo with us, brand name, today. See for yourself how our simple, straightforward, that bit can pretty much remain the same, because we always want it to come off as being super simple and straightforward to actually execute against, because that's going to help close the sale, can help them solve their problem easily. Book your demo now, and let's get whatever problem it was solved the easy way. So that's the template. What does that actually look like? Let's use our Tax Planly fintech brand again. So this one is for stop losing your tax planning clients. Hey there, financial advisors, tired of losing all your clients that want tax planning services? Look no further than Tax Planly. We've made tax planning super easy so you can get it done efficiently and effectively for your busy clients. No more overcomplicated documents, processes, or lengthy back and forths. Just quick and easy tax plans that give your clients the tax advantages they need now. With Tax Planly, creating tax plan documents is a breeze. Our simple and friendly platform guides your clients through the process, ensuring they have a comprehensive plan in place in no time. And what's great is that it takes minimal effort on your part. So if you're ready to streamline your tax planning offerings and provide incredible value to your clients, book a demo of Tax Planly today. See for yourself how our simple, straightforward solution can bring tax planning to more clients with less hassle. 73% of financial advisors offer tax planning services. You can too, with minimal effort. Book your demo now, and let's get tax planning done the easy way. So what this template has allowed us to do is make it super niche to our specific offering for our specific market by literally just copying the template of this VSL, but with our own unique spin on it. The form fill on the page is your main conversion mechanism, along with the call to action button. Simplicity again is key. All we really need here is first name, last name, email. Adding in things like a phone number or a qualifying question is okay. So for example, if you've already built out a sales team, you want to add in a phone number so they can be getting hold of those people, that's fine. But every additional box to complete will reduce conversions. So every additional question you ask is going to create a higher cost per conversion, because less people are going to jump through the hoops if there's more hoops. So I'd recommend just starting with first name, last name, email. If you find the lead quality isn't great, add your number one qualifying question to the form fill. So in terms of simplicity and just getting an MVP, a minimal viable product to start off with, I always recommend doing the most simple boilerplate basic solution. And then if the quality isn't there for whatever reason, you can always build out more. So it's the same thing here with form fills. So to add your number one qualifying question to the form fill, you don't know what the qualifying question is, ask your best performing salesperson. So for example, if your qualifying question is, do you have a budget of $10,000 a month? That's what your salesperson asks, number one on the sales call. That's what you're going to want to put in as your qualifying question. Optimizing for desktop and mobile. So optimizing for both is super important for high conversion rates. If you've never built a landing page before, imagine each section is a Lego block. So you can move the Lego blocks around and interchange them. Good example of this, identical for desktop and mobile. This is simplicity at its finest. So whether you go on desktop or you go on mobile or you go on tablet, you'll see the same thing. Logo, headline, video sales letter, form fill, call to action button in one consistent flow. That's what I would recommend doing because it's just the easiest to consume regardless of what device you're on. Thank you page after the call booking. So this is to track your book demos. This page is predominantly for tracking purposes. So every time someone lands on this page, which looks like nameyourbusiness.com/thank you is the name of this page. Every time someone lands on this page, you'll track and record one book demo event. So every time somebody clicks through to this URL, your tracking says, boop, we have converted a user. Your main objective is complete, taking a user from your target audience from ad, so from Meta, all the way through to booking a demo. Awesome. So all you really need to do from this point to get a pass grade for the page, for the thank you page, is to literally write, thank you for scheduling a call with us. We look forward to speaking with you. Again, minimal viable product. This works. You don't need to reinvent the wheel here. 100% of my clients do this, and that is absolutely fine. If, however, you want to pre-sell your now fresh hot lead, so they booked a call, and strike while the iron's hot, you can also add in another video sales letter. So thank you for booking a call. Here's XYZ more reasons why you should buy. Social proof. You can add in customer testimonials via videos, written. You can add in awards that you've won. You can add in publications that you're featured in, for example. And then finally, you can add in a mini demo. So a 2 to 5 minute version of your demo. All of these can potentially increase your sales conversion rate. So there's one thing booking a call, another thing actually converting that call to close for a deal. So I would recommend, if you're not doing this on the thank you page, or irrespective if you are or not, your email follow-up. So once somebody's booked a call, they should be put into an email sequence. That email sequence should be selling them on why they should buy your service before the call. So doing things like adding in all of these things I've just mentioned, plus objection handling. So any possible reason they would think to not purchase your service, you want to tell them why that's not a good idea and they should purchase.